Samsung to double EV battery production in Michigan. Samsung SDI America plans to double the electric vehicle EV battery plant's manufacturing capacity in Auburn Hills, Michigan. Samsung SDI America is proud to be expanding our facility in Auburn Hills, stated Samsung SDI America General Counsel Vice President of Legal and Public Affairs Joe Pittle. We are grateful to the Michigan Economic Development Corporation and our government partners in Auburn Hills and Oakland County for their support, which makes this expansion possible, he said. Samsung SDI reportedly building pilot line for Tesla 4680 battery cells. The Michigan Economic Development Corporation announced Samsung SDI America's expansion recently. The lithium-ion battery manufacturer plans to expand two of its Auburn Hills facilities to meet customer demands in the automotive sector. The project will include upgrades to the EV battery production line and improvements to employee well-being facilities and the IT department. This expansion plan, critical to our operations, will allow us to better support our customers and will result in hundreds of new jobs for those eager to take part in the electrification revolution. We are proud of the Michiganders we employ and are thrilled to be playing a small part in Michigan's bright future, Pittle added. Samsung SDI estimates that the expansion project will generate a total capital investment of $41 million. The Michigan Strategic Fund Board approved a $5 million performance-based grant for the project. The grant was reportedly approved to prevent Samsung SDI's investment from going to Kokomo, Indiana, where the lithium-ion battery supplier plans to make a 34 gigawatt-hours factory with Stellantis. The company also predicts that its plans for the Auburn Hills facilities will create 368 new high-wage jobs, adding to Samsung SDI's 628 employees in Michigan. The new jobs are expected to pay at least $37.50 per hour plus benefits. Besides Stellantis, Samsung SDI partnered with General Motors GM on a $3 billion EV battery production plant in the United States. In June 2022, Tesla reportedly approached Samsung SDI about building a pilot line for its 4680 battery cells. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.